Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explain how to convert gallons to pints. This conversion can be quite useful in different contexts. Whether you're cooking, serving beverages, or working on projects that involve volume measurements. Let's start with the basics. A gallon, often abbreviated as gal, is a unit of volume commonly used in the United States and a few other countries. A pint, represented as pt, is a smaller unit of volume often used in the kitchen and for serving beverages. Now, here's the key part. 1 gallon is equal to 8 pints. To convert gallons to pints, all you need to do is multiply the number of gallons by 8. For example, if you have a 3-gallon container of milk and you want to know how many pints it contains, simply multiply 3 gallons by 8. That's a total of 24 pints. Let's consider another scenario. If you're a bartender and you need to serve 2 gallons of beer in pints, converting it is straightforward. Just multiply 2 gallons by 8 to get 16 pints. And there you have it. Converting gallons to pints is a simple process. Remember that 1 gallon equals 8 pints. With a bit of practice, you'll become skilled at making this conversion, making your tasks involving volume measurements more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. For more informative conversion guides and math tips, be sure to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.